Hi employer, my name is Lydel Paras. I'm 25 years old. I'm a single mom. I have 2 kids already, 9-year-old son and 4-year-old daughter. My children's name is Franz GR and Sam Jessa. My father's name is Elvisio Paras and my mother's name is Lenny Doctor. I'm the only girl in my family. I have older brother named Erickson Paras and my highest educational is senior high school graduate. I'm currently living here in Indang, Cavite, Philippines. My hobbies is listening to music and cleaning, gardening. I like to play kids too. I have experienced 3 years as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 2 children. My main duty are take care of children, cooking, cleaning and washing, ironing, marketing, and gardening, and also taking care of pets. So my future employer, please hire me because I'm hardworking, honest, polite, respectful, responsible, and most especially, I'm patient with children. And I'm willing to take care newborn babies, elderly, and pets. And I'm happy person. Thank you.